I have some chicken and stockfish.
Everything is
There's a
set here.
protein I'll
Then
be
we are
using to
now
prepare
going to
my
start
vegetable
cooking it.
soup. As you can see, I
Put
put
it
it to the
fire.
fire, allow it to steam up
Allow to steam for
before I
some
will add
minutes before I'll
water
add
to
some water
it.
to
Okay,
it.
so as my protein is on the fire, I have to start slicing other ingredients that I will be adding to it. This is my red habanero pepper. I have to slice it. Then I slice my tomatoes along with it, as you can see it right now. These are my tomatoes. I just finished slicing them. Then I have to keep them aside. Okay, then put my pot on the fire and add some olive oil according to your taste, according to how you want it. Guys, don't forget, cook with good oil. After that, I put in my veggies, carrot, and all the rest to cook. Then I slice it. I slice into it my onions. Then just continue to stir. As I'm cooking, omo, belle don dey hear am hot. I have to put something in my mouth, okay? And also to test what I am cooking. You need to test it. My onions and all the rest is on the fire with my olive oil already. Then I add my chopped tomatoes and pepper to it. Then this is my tomatoes puree. Before you use anything from your sachet, try and pour it to a container first to see what is inside. Don't pour it direct to your pot. Learn how to do this, okay? Then I put in my tomatoes puree and allow it to steam up for some time. As we normally say, fry. We allow it to fry. Abi? Fry. Remember to always stir so that it won't get burnt. At this point, I'm adding in my crayfish. I beat my crayfish with this my small mortar before adding it to it, and remember always to stir. After some minutes, I put in my smoked pork. That's my smoked pork meat. I put it to it, okay? Go and watch my reels. You will see how this pork meat was, made from. Then I add in my fungi. Guys, una know fungi contain a lot of things. If you know what fungi contain, you will cook without fungi. Allow it to cook because vegetable is the last. After you put in your vegetable, some minutes it is done. This is what you see me doing right now. I try to put in my vegetables. These vegetables is of 2 or 3 types. I think I remember spinach, I can remember bieta, I can remember kale leaves. The 3 vegetables are together here, okay? After washing it thoroughly with salt, try to wash your vegetable before you cook. So this is my vegetable soup, almost ready as you can see. You turn all the time. I add my chicken the last because this chicken is already boiled. So I have to put it last so that it will not get scattered. And I have all my dried fish inside. Then when I taste, I discover I still have to add a little Maggi powdered. Then I put in my vegetable Maggi powdered to make it perfect. Okay. Then turn and taste for salt. Like moi, I don't eat salt much. So I watch very carefully. Right now you can see my vegetable soup is ready. So yummy, so amazing. No water. Your vegetable will bring out its own liquid. Your vegetable will bring out its own liquid. This is how it looks like. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.